What's up, guys? We are here at Gunlock State Park. We just arrived. Steele and Kaylee are here. We just had to get Steele ready. He had a nice little incident, so we're gonna put him in his backpack and we're gonna try to get up to those waterfalls. They're right there.
Yeah.
We're here at Gunlock, over by the waterfalls, and it was like maybe 100 yards to walk to get here, so it's super easy to come see. I think it's mellowed out a lot, but it's still really pretty and really cool. We walked across the water right here, and the water feels great. It's like 75 degrees.
Yeah, that does feel good.
But it's been fun. It's a St. George vibe where you kind of just run around and jump on the rocks, play in whatever little crevice you can find. But yeah, well, we're gonna keep going exploring and to see what else is down here, since we can right now. So let's go. So we've been here at Gunlock for a little bit. Still started to get a little overheated, so he's naked right now, just swimming in the water. What was that? What?
Did you hear what I said? I didn't know you were filming.
No, I didn't hear that. Did you guys hear it? I don't know. But like I said, Gunlock was really fun. The water's a lot calmer than what it has been, I think, in this past month. So it's a little bit less dangerous, but it was really pretty overall. I would recommend getting here before it all dries up, because who knows if we get another season like this. But keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the drone footage. What's up, guys? I know I said we were gonna do the drone footage. Scott, our friend, he came down to St. George to meet up with us, and he's just getting the drone ready. We're gonna use some of his footage, but he showed me another spot here that is really gorgeous with a bigger waterfall. But check it out.